Hello students, today we shall discuss the next set of problems. The first problem for today is find the value of sine of cos inverse 3 by 5 plus cos inverse 12 by 13. I have to find the value of this. For this, what we'll do is let cos inverse 3 by 5 is equal to alpha, cos alpha is equal to 3 by 5. This implies what is sin alpha equal to? Sin alpha is equal to 4 by 5. Similarly, cos inverse 12 by 13 is equal to beta. Cos beta is equal to 12 by 13. Sin beta will be equal to 5 by 13. Opposite side will be 5, adjacent side is 12. 169 minus 144 is 25. So sin beta will be equal to 5 by 13. Now we have to find sine of alpha plus beta. Sine of alpha plus beta is nothing but sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. That is equal to, what is sin alpha that you have? 4 by 5 cos beta 12 by 13 plus cos alpha 3 by 5 sin beta 5 by 13. This is equal to 12 4s are 48 by 65 plus 15 by 65. This is equal to 63 by 65. So therefore, sine of cos inverse 3 by 5 plus cos inverse 12 by 13 is equal to 63 by 65. The value is 63 by 65. We shall discuss similar kind of problem. The question that you have, the next question that we have is sin inverse 3 by 5, tan of sin inverse 3 by 5 plus cos inverse 5 by 34. Now let sin inverse 3 by 5 is equal to alpha, sin alpha will be equal to 3 by 5. Sin alpha is 3 by 5, tan alpha will be 3 by 4. Similarly, cos inverse 5 by 34 is equal to root 34 is equal to beta. Cos beta will be 5 by root 34. If cos beta is 5 by root 34, tan beta will be equal to 3 by 5. By using Pythagoras theorem, the opposite side will be 3. Now you have to find tan of alpha plus beta. What is tan of alpha plus beta? Tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta, that is equal to, here what is tan alpha? 3 by 4 plus tan beta 3 by 5 by 1 minus 3 by 4 into 3 by 5. So this is nothing but, take LCM, 5 4s are 20, 4 into 5, 3 into 5, 15 plus 5 into 4, 3 into 4, 12 by 1 minus 9 by 20. So this is nothing but 27 by 20 by 20 minus 9 by 20. 20 cancel, you have 27 by 11. So the answer here is 27 by 11. Let us do the next problem. Next problem. cos of 2 tan inverse 1 by 7, you have to prove that this is equal to sine of 2 tan inverse 3 by 4. You have to prove that these two are equal. How to do it? See here. Let tan inverse 1 by 7 is equal to alpha. Tan alpha will be equal to 1 by 7. Cos 2 alpha will be equal to 1 minus tan square alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 49 by 1 plus 1 by 49. So this is nothing but 49 minus 1 by 49 by 49 plus 1 by 49. 49 cancel, this will be equal to 48 by 50. So cos 2 alpha will be 48 by 50. Now let the second part, let tan inverse 3 by 4 is equal to beta. Tan beta is equal to 3 by 4. Sin 2 beta in terms of tan, 2 tan beta by 1 plus tan square beta, that is 2 into 3 by 4 by 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square, that is 9 by 16. This is nothing but 6 by 4, 2 3s are 6 by 4 by 25 by 16, which is 6 into 16 by 4 into 25. 16 5s are 80, 16 6s are 96 by 100. That will be equal to 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 50s are, which is 48 by 50. So these two are equal. Therefore, cos 2 into tan inverse 1 by 7 is equal to sin 2 tan inverse 3 by 4. Hence proved. Hence proved. Let us discuss the next problem. Before going to the next problem, you have some formulas based on this. Let me discuss those formulas. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. This is if xy is less than 1, x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0, is equal to pi by 2. If xy is equal to 1, x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0, is equal to pi plus tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. If xy is greater than 1, x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0. You have tan inverse x, I repeat the formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. It is equal to pi by, this condition for this is xy less than 1, x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to pi by 2 when xy is equal to 1, x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0, is equal to pi plus tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. If xy greater than 1, x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0. Based on this, we shall do some problems. Prove that tan inverse 1 by 7 plus tan inverse 1 by 13 minus tan inverse 2 by 9 is equal to 0. What is the problem? The next problem, we have to prove that tan inverse 1 by 7 plus tan inverse 1 by 13 minus tan inverse 2 by 9 is equal to 0. We have a formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. That is 1 by 7 plus 1 by 13 by 1 minus 1 by 91 minus tan inverse 2 by 9. Here tan inverse 13 into 7, 91. This is 7, this will be 13 and this will be 7. 13 plus 7 by 91 by 1 minus 1 by 91. 1 minus xy, that is 1 by 7 into 1 by 13, that will be equal to 1 by 91. So if you take LCM, you get 91 minus 1 by 91. 91 gets cancelled. Tan inverse 20 by 90. 20 by 90 is nothing but 2 by 9. Tan inverse 2 by 9 minus tan inverse 2 by 9 is 0. That's about the problem. Let us discuss some more problems based on this. Tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 8 is equal to, prove that it is equal to pi by 4. Okay. How to prove this? First of all, we will take these two quantities. Consider tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 5 this is equal to tan inverse 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 1 minus 1 by 10 plus tan inverse 1 by 8. So this is tan inverse 2 5 is 10. You get 5 plus 2 by 10 minus 1 by 10, that is 9 by 10 plus tan inverse 1 by 8. So 10 gets cancelled. You have tan inverse 7 by 9 plus tan inverse 1 by 8, that is equal to tan inverse 7 by 9 plus 1 by 8 by 1 minus 7 by 9 into 1 by 8. So that is nothing but tan inverse 9 8 is 72, 9 into 8, 7 into 8 is 56 plus 8 into 9 is 72, 56 plus 9 by 72 minus 7 by 72. So this is nothing but 56 plus 9, tan inverse 65 by 72 by 65 by 72. 72 gets cancelled. You have tan inverse 65 also gets cancelled. You can cancel at a time. 65 by 72, 65 by 72 gets cancelled. So you have tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 is nothing but pi by 4. This is our next problem. I repeat. First of all, we are taking tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 5. That will be equal to tan inverse 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 5. Plus what do you have next? We are adding. Here also you should have tan inverse 1 by 8. First you are considering this. You are considering these two. So this will be tan inverse 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 1 minus 1 by 10 plus tan inverse 1 by 8. So here you have the LCM as 10. So here you get 5 and here you get 2. 5 plus 2 by 10 by 10 minus 1 by 10, which is 9 by 10. 10 gets cancelled. You have 7 by 9 tan inverse 1 by 8. Tan inverse 7 by 9 plus tan inverse 1 by 8 is tan inverse 7 by 9 plus 1 by 8 by 1 minus 7 by 9 into 1 by 8, which is nothing but tan inverse. If you take LCM, you get 56 plus 9 by 72 by 72 minus 7 by 72. 72 gets cancelled. 56 plus 9 is 65. 72 minus 7 is also 65. So the numerator and denominator gets cancelled. You have tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 is nothing but pi by 4, because tan pi by 4 is 1. So that's about this problem. Next problem that we have is tan inverse 1 by 7 plus tan inverse 1 by 8 is equal to, we have to prove that it is equal to cot inverse 301 by 43 plus cot inverse 18. First consider LHS. On LHS you have tan inverse 1 by 7 plus tan inverse 1 by 8, that is tan inverse 1 by 7 plus 1 by 8 by 1 minus 1 by 7 into 1 by 8. Tan inverse, that will be 8 plus, this will be 8 plus 7, this is into 8, this is into 7, so you get 8 plus 7 by 56, 5, 7 8 is 56 minus 1. So that is nothing but that is equal to tan inverse 15 by 55, which is equal to 3 by 11, tan inverse 3 by 11. Let us consider RHS. On RHS you have cot inverse 201 by 43 plus cot inverse 18. If you reverse it, you will get tan inverse 43 by 21. This is also tan inverse 1 by 18. Now tan inverse x plus tan inverse phi. X plus y by 1 minus xy. So that is nothing but tan inverse 774 plus 201. Here if you multiply with into 18, you will get 774 plus 18 into 201. 201 by 201 into 18. 3618 minus 43. 3618 minus 43. 201 into 18. 201 into 18 cancel. 774 plus 201 is 975. 3618 minus 43 is equal to 3575. This goes in 325 table. 325 3s are 325. 11s are is 3575. So that is equal to tan inverse 3 by 11. So here you are getting LHS is equal to RH. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. That is about this problem, children. We shall continue the next set of problems in the next session.